dance and tease. Yeah, but yeah, that she just dance and tease. You cool like the Highland breeze. We know where you want.
Alright, so let's get right into it. As you guys know, this hair is from Luvme Hair, and you guys already know how I feel about this company. They always send amazing wigs, and I'm just taking it out of the bag. This is the first time that I'm seeing it out of the box. You guys are seeing it the same thing as me. I'm just checking it out a little bit. I'm looking at the color, and it's like a light brown with even lighter brown streaks. I wouldn't say that it's like a blonde streak, but anyway, so inside there is a band to make it nice and snug so I can wear this without any glue at all. And let's check out the lace, and you guys are seeing the lace is very blendable, so I'm excited to put this on. And I'm putting it on. Of course, the camera would be blurry at first. But yeah, so this is the length of it and everything, and this is how it looks like just out of the bag on my head. And you guys already know this is not how it's going to end up looking. We are going to customize it completely, okay? So yeah, I'm just looking at it, testing it out, seeing if it fits my head and everything. Alright, so you see the wig cap and this lace right here. Although it is nice, it's not gonna stay like this. So let's get started to customize it. So I took off the wig and I put it on my mannequin head, and this is how I'm going to start the process. First, I'm going to put the Garnier Fructis serum. I think that's how you say it. It's like a frizzy serum, but I use it for a heat protector. And then I'm going to put it all over the front of the hair. Why am I doing that? Because I'm going to put a hot comb on it, okay? We're gonna make it nice and laid. But you don't want to burn off the hair, so always put a heat protectant. So I always put that along with a wax stick. And now I'm just taking my comb and I'm just combing it backwards so that it could be easier for the hot comb to go through it. And now I'm taking my wax stick and I'm going to put it all over the front. And now I'm taking my wax stick, my hot comb, and I'm going to comb it backwards. And this is, I know this doesn't look like, oh, why are you gonna do that? Well, it's going to make it look like it's coming from my scalp, and you will see when I'm done what I mean by that. And now I'm showing you guys the difference between that side and this side, and you can definitely tell that the one that's been hot combed looks so much better. By the way you stare, the way you wrote upon me, yeah. Man, I felt sure. And I'll show you guys how it looks like now. It looks so much better. But we're not done customizing. Now we're going to make sure that the lace blends in with her skin. So for me, I use my bronzer color because my forehead is much darker than my actual face, so I can't really use my foundation color. So I put my Fenty bronzer and I take a flat brush and I put it all over the lace. And I focus on the hairline because we're going to be cutting the lace, right? So the excess lace really doesn't matter. You want to make sure that the hairline is nice and blended. Don't put too much product, but don't put like too little because then it won't blend. Baby, don't you, baby, don't you, baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Boy, you take me on a trip. Always up and down. And you guys, this is how it looks like when I put it on. It looks so much better, and you can tell that it's going to look so much more natural. I'm going to show you a before and after. Like, this is when I took it right out the bag, and the after is basically after our customization. So never just take out a wig out of the bag and expect it to look bombshell. You have to do some work to it. Okay, so I'm going to cut the lace with these big scissors. I usually do not use big kitchen scissors like this, but I can't find my eyebrow scraper. But this will just have to do, and it works the same. It's just not comfortable. But anyways, as you guys know, I always cut in an up and down motion, so that's what you want to do. You want to cut up and down so that it's not in a straight line, because if you cut it in a straight line, it's not going to blend in with your skin.
Just like you say you do.
Alright, and I put the wig back on and it looks amazing. So I actually took off the wig cap because honestly you could use the wig cap, but you don't really need it. And yeah, I can already tell that when I straighten this hair, this is going to look so good. Alright, and now it's time to straighten the hair. So I'm going to take my brush and just brush out the hair, make sure that it's nice and smooth. And then I'm going to separate it in sections. And I'm not going to take like small sections. I'm going to separate it in big sections. And I'm just going to straighten it that way with like a little bump at the bottom. You don't need to, you know, do anything too extra because the wig is super nice coming out of the bag, but we just wanted to do that bob effect. So this is why I'm doing this.
But something went wrong. The signals got crossed, and now we're on completely different pages. Let's go where we were, where no one gets hurt.
And you guys can see the difference between this side and this side. So that side is giving bob and the other side's giving like, you know, I just got out of bed. But I mean, it's still cute, but it's not as cute or as my style as the bob.
Baby, don't you switch up the vibe. Baby, don't you.
Alright, and after I'm done with it, this is how it looks, you guys. I think it looks so good. I feel like I look so nice and sophisticated. I'm loving the color. And by the way, as I was brushing it and everything, there was no shedding, absolutely no shedding. So I'm really, really happy about that.
The signals got crossed, and now we're going different directions. Let's go where we were.
So you can choose to do a traditional bob with the hair in the front like that, or you could do what I'm doing, which is basically putting the hair behind my ears, and I'm much more comfortable this way, especially with the whole mom life thing right now. So yeah, I am loving this look, you guys. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. Do you like this bob? Do you like the color? Would you prefer it another color? What would you guys like? And yeah, I'm just so happy. Shout out to Luvme Hair for never missing. They're always sending me beautiful hair. Just look at that. That looks absolutely beautiful. And I love the subtle highlights. Again, I cannot find any negative about it. And also, I didn't put any baby hairs. You could if you want to, but honestly, you don't even have to do it, and the wig still looks amazing. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye for now.
If you love me, baby.